Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. I am so excited to be starting a YouTube channel. I would like to answer 10 questions that I found from the internet. Hopefully by answering these questions, you will get to know a little bit about me and my channel. So let's get started. If you see me looking down, it's because the questions are on my phone and I may need to look at it from time to time. So let's begin. Question number 1 is, what is my name? My name is Anani, and that is spelled A-N-A-N-I. Question number 2 is, where am I from? I am from the island of St. Croix, which is located in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Question number 3, what state do I live in? I live in the state of Texas. I have lived here for over 10 years. Question number 4 is, how tall am I? I am 5'9". The heights in my family range from 5'9", me being the shortest, all the way up to 6'7". So I guess I'm tall. Question number 5, what is the name of my channel? The name of my channel is called At Home with Anani. Question number 6 is, what is my occupation? I am a small business owner. I have been in business for 9 years. I have a all-natural hair product boutique. The name of the boutique is called Beautiful Beauty, and beautiful is spelled B-E-Y-O-U-T-I-F-U-L. Question number 7. What is my design style? I would say my design style is eclectic. I like a little of everything. I like traditional, I like modern, I like futuristics, I like glam, I like rustic. So I would define my style as being eclectic. Question number 8 is, who are my favorite YouTubers? If I was to name all my favorite YouTubers, this would be a pretty long video. So I will not single anyone out. However, what I will say is, I like watching videos that I can learn from. So if you are a home stager, home designer, you like cooking, shopping, hauls, living life on a budget, doing budget, hacks, these are the kind of videos that I enjoy watching. So if you fall under any of those categories, more than likely I have seen some or all of your videos. Question number 9 is, why did I decide to do YouTube? I decided to do YouTube because I have lived in this home for 10 years. And just recently, we experienced water damage. Due to the water damage, we lost 80% of our home, which included furniture, decor, rugs, the walls. So basically, I am starting from scratch. So I wanted to take you guys on a journey with me as I experience redecorating my home. Also, because YouTube has awesome DIYers and home decorators, home stagers, haulers, I wanted to seek expertise or advice from other YouTubers here on YouTube. So that is the main reason I decided to do YouTube. Experiencing water damage, it can be challenging, so I figured if I'm in front of the camera, I would be even more motivated to get through the process faster. And finally, what kind of videos will I be bringing to this channel? Again, just my everyday life, what I love to do. I love to cook, clean, shop, decorate, take care of the family. So I wanted to bring these kind of videos to you guys. Well, that is the end of the questions. I hope you enjoyed meeting me for the first time. As I said, this is actually my first YouTube video. If you'd like to know more about me and you have questions, you can certainly leave them down below. I would be happy to answer your question. Again, thank you for taking your precious time to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. Also share and like this video. It would be greatly appreciated. Again, thank you so much for watching. Everyone take care, be blessed, have a happy and blessed Monday, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye guys.